Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an incoming webhook in Slack. This is the simplest way to send data from external tools like GitHub, Trello, or your own custom scripts directly into your Slack channels. Step 1. Create a Slack app. Since webhooks are tied to applications, you first need to create a container for your webhook in the Slack API dashboard. Head over to api.slack.com/apps and click Create New App. Choose From Scratch, give your app a recognizable name like AlertBot, and select the workspace where you want the messages to appear. Click Create App to finalize this stage. Step 2. Enable incoming webhooks. Once your app is created, you need to tell Slack that this app is specifically designed to receive external data. In the left-hand sidebar, click on Incoming Webhooks under the Features section. Toggle the Activate Incoming Webhooks switch to On. Once active, scroll down and click the Add New Webhook to Workspace button. You'll be prompted to select the specific channel where the messages should post. Select your channel and click Allow. Step 3. Copy and secure your webhook URL. Your webhook is now live, but you need the address to send your data to. Look at the webhook URLs for your workspace section that just appeared. Click Copy next to the URL that looks like https://hooks.slack.com/services/... This URL is essentially a password. Anyone with it can post to your Slack channel. Keep it secure and never hard-code it into public repositories. You can now paste this URL into your third-party tool or script to start sending automated notifications. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.